Hello, Toad here. In my last Minecraft tutorial, I showed you how to convert objects into schematic files using the MC-Edit program. I'm planning to use that object for my current custom terrain project coming up, but that isn't the only one I want to use. Behind me are dinosaur bone assets from Mythic's 13's tree repository, which is available on Planet Minecraft. The link for this pack is in the video description below. I highly recommend giving it a look, because it offers a wide variety of assets for decorating your custom maps. I like the way these objects are built. They are interesting, unique, simple, yet thought-provoking, and as I said, they offer a map maker variety. I think they will work well for what I have in mind for the terrain I wish to create, but the problem I have is these objects were built with wool, and thus, do not match the bone object I built for my map earlier. This means I will need to edit the materials for each object with the MC-Edit program, and save them as new files from my map, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, so let's get to it. So what we want to do here is, select import and then select the schematic file we want to place into our test map, and then click confirm. Next, we click Edit, then Find and Replace. This opens a menu, where on the left we choose the materials we want to find, and on the right we choose what we want those found materials to be replaced with. By pressing the Replace button on the bottom right of the menu, the program does all the work for you, and edits the materials of the object. Once that's done, make sure your edited object is selected, click Export, and save it as a new file. And that's all there is to it. I will repeat this process for the other 3 objects for my project. And now I have all 4 of these objects edited to match the bone thing I created earlier for my project. I will not be making these edits available for download, so if you are interested in these assets, I strongly encourage you to check out the link to Mythic's 13's tree pack on Planet Minecraft to get them. The creative process can be a tricky one, so I cannot say if these assets will end up in my map when it's done, but for now they are part of the process. Stay tuned for future videos as I share the journey of this project. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If it was helpful to you in any way, please hit the like button to let me know. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon if you want to be notified of my uploads. Feel free to check out the other videos displayed here before you go. Until next time, I wish you much light, love, and laughter.